I transplanted it as well, and it's doing fantastic. Since I transplanted, it lost all its old leaves, and it has tons of new baby leaves. As you can see, they are humongous. All right, so that's that. Look at these beautiful flowers. Well, about to be flowers. And I have them in containers. And then this is an edible plant. This is actually the Laura Bay leaf. So I constantly harvest some of these leaves. My mom, every time she comes, she takes some leaves so she can dry them out and use them for her cooking. And as you guys can see, one of my pride and joys that I've recently potted into these humongous what do you call them, crates, I guess, is my weeping mulberry. They are amazing. It has tons of food growing. Look at this. Let's see if I can show you guys a better view. Look at that. Isn't that fabulous? Oh my god, guys, some of